He's starting to roll. He's been in the siding there for a while, trying to take out the slack of his loads. That's what I assume. Of course, the sun's right in my face. That's it. I'm in Florida. That's where the sun is supposed to be. Down here. Of course. Yeah. Gonna wait for the bells to come ringing here at the grade crossing. Here we go. I'll start with the horn play. Video. I can't even see the screen. Here we go. The prime movers. No LNG today. 2 inches. No. Coming in. The paint scheme is from the 40s. The Heritage scheme. On his way into Jacksonville Terminal, the Heritage scheme from the Champion. The Champion was a streamliner back in the 40s, Florida East Coast. Florida East Coast was the railroad that went to Key West with the Flagler system in the 20s until the hurricane came and wiped that out. Now it's US 1. And I got a lot of tank cars here. Ooh, boy. Let's see. Yeah. Alrighty. I'll let it go here because the rest is boring.